Hello and welcome to OnPrint Shop. In this video, we will go through the order approval access roles to the corporate customers. In this video, we will go through what is order approval access roles, how it is function, what are the uses of that, and how to assign the partial and super approval access roles, how the approval will approve the order from the storefront by logging into his user ID and the password from the storefront, and from then it goes to the next stage. So let's get started. So when you land into here in the website customers, you will get the list of all the customers, but here you will not have the option called access roles. So to get the option of access roles, you have to go to corporate, go to particular corporate, and then view customers. When you click on view customers, you will have an option called access roles. Now let me go and click on access roles here, and let us try to give the access roles to. Now here you will have, when you click on here, the permission for order approval or something is not coming up. The reason behind is that you have not given the order approval option. For that you have to go to edit, go in here and enable this option called order approval. Click on save, and now go to customers, click on access roles, and now if you select the customer, any of the customer, if you select, and you will have this option, right? You have to check this, and then you will be able to give the order approval permission. Now before going into this, you need to have who is the person who is going to be approving the order. There are two roles, that means partial and super. Partial means this is the first level of approval, and super means this is the final level of approval of the order. And so let us go and try to create the access roles first. So Mr. Adam is the partial approval, and he is from the loan department, so he can access only loan department. If you want to give that rights, then you can give that rights. So here the default department which is there is loan, so here you can give the rights to Mr. Adam. Okay, click on save. Now Mr. Chetan is the super approval, right? All rights reserved. So let us go and select that person from here. He is from admin department. Now since he is the bank manager, he has all rights, so you can give the all rights to this person. He will be approving the loans or the orders from this department, as well as other departments. Okay, click on here. He is the super approval for this department, super approval for this, super approval for the department as well, and he can also allow the inventory. Now need to click on save and back. Now you can give these rights to all other department employees as well, same way. For example, this is from sales department, you can give the rights to any other. Now when you give the access roles, you will get this small icon on the person that you have given the access to. See, Adam has also received some access, some authority, so he will have that. You can click on this icon and it will display the whole list of things that has rights to this person. Okay, so he is having the partial right of loan department only. Now let us go on up, scroll up and see the rights. You can check the rights from here itself. Now let us assume that Mr. John is going to place the order. So John Sina from the loan department. Now let us log in and try to place the order. So here I am logged in John, and let me click on this template and I am going to place the order. Okay, I'll just click on continue, and we are just trying to place the order, right? Click on save and add to cart, front side or back side, whatever it could be. So I'm just trying to place the order, pay on, and order is complete. So order is complete, but it is not complete yet since it is approval is pending. So Mr. Adam is yet to approve this order. So let me go into here once again, go to customers, and let us try to log in as Mr. Adam. Okay, so let us try to log in as Mr. Adam. So Mr. Adam logs in, and as soon as he logs in into the system, he will have the notification of order approval. To go in here, and here is approval pending. He can view details and he can either approve the order or reject the order. It depends upon him. And here also it will be notified that this person will approve and then this person will be the final approver. So he can place the comment and can approve. Now click on here and the order is approved. Now it is next stage. Adam has approved, Mr. Chetan is still pending. So if you go in here and check for this person to log in, the super admin, the manager, he will log in here and he will have to log in for the admin department. And when he logs in, he will have the option for approval pending, and today is the date, so he will click on here and from here he will approve the order. But before that, let us go into the super admin and check whether we have received any order from Demo Bank or not. We have not received any order since the order is not finally approved by the manager. So here he writes approve and okay, click on approve and okay, now the order is finally approved. So now the order status would be order processing, and if you go now here on the super admin dashboard, you will find an order that has been received from Mr. John Cena. Now this is the person who has actually placed the order and not the final approver. As a super admin, you will receive the order from the placer of the order who has placed the order. Now let us go into the admin of the corporate. Let us go and check the process or the things that has happened. So let me log in as a corporate from the corporate side, and if the corporate person logs in from his side, then he will also be notified that the order has been placed. So here you see John Cena has placed the order and this is the order option. So this way you can assign the rights to the corporate customers.